In this video, we're going to show you a powerful way to create a new list by taking an existing list and finding more companies like those in the existing list. This is a huge time saver when you have a good list, but you need to expand the size of it with more companies and contacts. In this video, we're going to use a trade show list we've already cleaned up to match our target companies. To begin, click Build New List from the mmojo homepage and select the mMore-Like tab. Now we click on the list icon in the middle of the target and select our trade show list. We can see two things happen at this point. First, the target now has three attributes we can control: revenue, industry, and location. We also see that the left side of the page has been updated to reflect the attributes of our trade show list. We can now relax or tighten each of the attributes within our target to find the additional companies we are looking for. So let's say we can relax location. So we slide that attribute to the outside of the target. On the other hand, let's say we want to tightly constrain our additional companies to the same industry. So we slide the industry attribute to the inside of the target. In the case of revenue, we're okay to leave it where it is. Now let's also constrain the additional companies to have similar technologies to the original list. So we drag the technology attribute onto the target. And we will slide the technology attribute toward the center of the target to tighten this constraint. Okay, we're good with this. So we click Create New List and complete the information panel. Note we can specify the number of companies we want in our new list. Mojo will find the new companies that most closely meet the original list attributes as relaxed or tightened by the target we created. Also note that Mojo will append any data products from the data marketplace that were part of the original list, including contacts. Now let's create our new list and return to the Mojo homepage. Let's pause here and we'll come back when our list has been created. Okay, here's our new list. Let's take a look at it from the View List page. We can also go to the List Analytics to get a quick overview of the list. At this point, we may want to merge this list with our original list to get a final expanded list. That concludes this video. We look forward to talking again soon.